Hi guys, this is a new video. In this video, I'll just be like exploring land and stuff. Um, this is the first video of a new series that probably won't be a new series. I've already loaded my character and stuff. I got the unpleasant zombie arm on my first night. I got everything from that chest there and a few other chests. So I haven't actually done much, just pretty much some off-screen working on Terraria because I'm really bad at this. The controls on computer as it's my first time. Wow, that was so hard. Oh wow, that's the second living tree I've found. I did not even know you could have two living desert. That's what I also wanted to find. But I did not even know you could have two living trees. I did not even know that. Controls are so hard. I really need to get used to these controls. Does this even have a house? How long do I have to travel just to find a small house? Yeah. I want the glow stick. I want the torch. Give me the torch. Yay. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna always hold a torch while going down here. Okay. Okay, yeah. That makes things a lot easier. Oh no, I do not want to be getting killed by an antlion swarm or something. Oh, no. And bet worse to that is that I don't know how to use recap. Is that I don't know how to use recal potions yet. Because they're just not working. So why did I jump in here then, Zachary? Why? Why? I just want to use Eureka Potion. Why are you so mean? Guess I'm gonna have to use the 3 platforms that I have given. Just want to use the Eureka Potion though. I think I'll do a cut until I'm out of here because it'll take like hours. I mean, literally. Well, I guess that's one way to get out of the underground desert when you need to. Anyway, lesson learned. On the first day, you should just stick to building your house. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure if this should be a simple house design or a mad house design. I think I'm gonna go with simple. Simple house design, simple everything. I have other things to worry about, like breaking these sunflowers. God, the tool belt would be useful right now. Okay, so... Oh, by the way, I've got auto pause on. Just saying. Oh, leaves! I didn't know that they fell. Newsflash, Zachary, they do fall. Okay. Oh no. Have I made that tall enough? Oh wow, Zachary. Okay. Wow, this is gonna take a long time, isn't it? This is gonna take a really long time, isn't it? Yeah, no. Okay. And there we go. And let's get some walls. Oh my god. That is way more than I need. Wow. Yeah, I need to get this house finished before it's nighttime, because when it's nighttime, I just get destroyed. Like, look, I get destroyed by slimes in daytime. Like, those zombies and demon eyes and all kinds of creepy creatures. At night. I mean, they're not creepy on mobile. On mobile, I just use my Terror Blade, which I got easily. Well, not easily. Trapdoor, wow. Never heard of it. When does that stop? No. Okay. God, it stopped. And I need 2 of those. I'm gonna take all day to build one house, aren't I? Yeah, definitely, Zachary. I need to get used to the controls. Okay, torch. And there we go. An NPC should be able to move in. Like, let's say the guide, for example. The guy can. Is it? This housing. Cool! It's suitable! And I'll make a second house. I just need to cut down those trees, which will take another eternity. Okay. Oh, that was nearly me over and done with. Oh my god, I only just made that jump. I made the jump too early. Okay, time to build a house. No, why me? Yeah. I think I'll do a cut and meet you when the house is finished. Oh god. Hi guys. Oh god, I hate that. I hate myself. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Get out of here. So I've made myself a super simple house design using part of the living wood furniture. Featuring, I should say, the living wood furniture. Bomb, bomb, bomb. The zombie just got wrecked. I think I'm gonna go to the desert and actually get myself some cactus armor. Because effectively I need cactus armor to survive till I go to the mines. What is that? What is this? What is that? Strange plant. Oh yeah, you don't get those on mobile actually. You don't actually get those on mobile. I didn't know what that was. Actually. So I think the dye trader should move in now. I believe the dye trader should move in. If I am not mistaken, Oh, I fell in water. God, I'm always mistaken about Terraria on the computer. I always thought it would be so easy. Newsflash, it is not as easy as I thought it would be. That strange plant looks cool. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, not the antlion swarmer. That's hilarious. Oh. Oh. Man, I need to learn how to use Quickie. Oh, I'm gonna die here on time. Antlion chargers? Oh my. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a cut and see you when I'm at the desert, at the real desert. That's another way to get killed. Oh God, seriously! I carry on getting killed by antlion chargers. Do they even take knockback, man? Ugh. I'm gonna get my coins back and use a recal potion. Actually, do I have more than one recal? No, I don't. That's very annoying. I must get back to the desert though. Otherwise I'm going to be in a pickle with my money. Because I need money. So the merchant will move in. So that I can get... Wow. Dumb ways to die. Try and think you're a match against an antlion charger before you have any armor. And a zombie arm. Oh God! Slime, take it easy. I'm only a starter. Antlion chargers keep killing me. And it's so annoying. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. First antlion chargers, then a sandstorm. The music sounds so different than it normally does. Why does my recal potion never work? Okay. Ugh. Yo, that's so hard to move. No! Why? I give up. I give up. Guys, I think what is that? What the heck? Oh, we don't want this.